Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make footstep sounds in your Paper2D sprite animation like this. So what we want to do first is create a landscape layer. So we need to make the material first. So I'm going to make it here, material, landscape, to call it whatever you need to. And just like our last video, we're going to plug in the textures. We then want to create a physical material output. So one for grass, one for dirt, which we have to make first. So I'm gonna go back to our level. Physical material. So grass 1, physical material. Dirt 1, physical material. And so what we need to do is then go to our settings, project settings, search physical. Oh goodness me. So physical surface, and we need to add our surface type. So grass and dirt. Then in our physical material, in the surface type, this is grass. In the dirt, we'll put dirt. Go back to our material. Grass. And dirt. We then want to create a landscape layer sample. This one will be grass 1. Copy and paste it, and we'll name this one dirt 1. And then we'll plug it in here. Apply, save. We then need to make the landscape. So go to landscape mode, however big you need it, create, go back to selection mode, select landscape, landscape material. We'll drag in the material we just made. Oops. Save. Go back to landscape, paint, create layers from assigned materials. And I already have layer info, just like the last video. And so that's fine. I am just using this visually. Don't worry about this too much. So that's the dirt, and then this is the grass. Save that. So then what we need to do is create a Anim Notify. So I'm going to go to my character. And I'm going to create a blueprint class, search Anim Notify, and we want to use the Paper2D Anim Notify. So Paper Anim Notify. We then want to go to the functions, override, on receive notify. From the owning instance, we want to get owning actor. We then want to get actor location. And then we want to create a sphere trace by channel. We'll connect these. Connect these two, actor location to the start. Then from the owning character, we want to get actor up vector. We then want to multiply, change the B to a float single precision. We want to go -1000. Then add and connect the return value from the get actor location. Then connect the add to the end of the sphere trace. So what this is doing is getting our character, its location, and then it's getting its up vector. So it's gonna go down 1000. So it's gonna hit the floor, and it's gonna check if it's hitting the floor with the sphere trace. On the out hit, we want to get surface type. We then want to branch. We want to return value condition. If it's true, we want to switch on physical surface. Plug in the get surface type return value to the selection, and all of our landscapes should be here. So from grass, we're gonna do play sound at location. And I already have some sounds in here. I will leave those in the description. So we're gonna go and use the footstep sound. And for the dirt, we're just gonna play a random sound from Unreal. Oh goodness. We do click tone ping for the dirt. So now that we have our on receive notify, when the player's on the grass, it should play footstep sounds. When it's on the dirt, it should play some ringing tone sounds. What we then have to do is go back to our player, and we want to go into the animation source. Go into the run, and I'm going to pause it here. So we want to see from its side. So on 0, every time he's touching the ground, we want the footstep sound to play. So on 0, he's touching the ground. Right click, add notify, paper, anim notify, the one we just made. And then line it up to the first frame. Here he's not touching, he's picking it up, and then he touches again with the other foot. So we can copy and then paste here. So now every time he touches the floor, the anim notify will get triggered. And so now nothing plays. Grass is playing. Dirt is playing.